Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to 30-Minute Websites, the show where I build an entire online store in 30 minutes, and each video is dedicated to a different product. And so today we're going to be building an online store all about selling flowers online for florists. So this is perfect for if you wanted to start your own flower business. Maybe it's directly to consumer online only, or you already have a pre-existing flower florist, and you're just looking to start selling online with online stores. So today we've got a fresh installation of WordPress ready to go. I've got my 30-minute e.gg timer ready to go. I've got a bunch of images, so I pretty much just have product images for this one because this is going to be a little bit different because florists tend, especially florist online stores, tend to be quite category heavy. So what you'll often find is that there's heaps of categories. So, maybe I'm looking for flowers for Mother's Day. And so I click on the Mother's Day one, and there'll be a bunch of different Mother's Day flowers. Or if you're looking for flowers for anniversaries or different products, and flowers can sit within different categories. And as someone who doesn't know much about flowers, I find that really helpful. So we're going to try and emulate that to the best of our abilities. We're going to be doing some work with some grouped products. So it's it'll create like a little product with a bunch of different options. So like you can choose the flowers, but then you can also choose to add maybe chocolates and add champagne and different things like that as you go. So trying to upsell and try and increase the average cart value of someone who comes through. And I would honestly recommend, I think the two best systems for building a successful online store nowadays are WooCommerce and Clickfunnels. So I would recommend pairing this with Clickfunnels. What you could do is have a landing page that offers things like ebooks or like best flowers for weddings or different events like that, and then you can then bring them back onto your Facebook retargeting ads or email list and pushing them back to your store. You can even sell flowers from your online store and have like a progression of upsells. So that's what I would recommend doing. And if you use my Clickfunnels affiliate link, so if you go to okryan.blog/go, sign up, I'll give you free WordPress hosting. So I'll help you host this website that I'm just about to build for free, and I'll also help you build it. So that's my current offer that I'm promoting. Something that because my goal is just to make e-commerce simple and just to try and remove as much of the learning curve and help people who are making things they're passionate about sell their products online. So yeah, we're about ready to go for 30 minutes starting now. If it will load. Perfect. All right, let's go. So first thing we're going to do is log into the back end of our website and use the login details that we created when we first installed WordPress. So we're going to take us to the dashboard. This is what the dashboard will look like in a second. First thing I always like to do is change the permalink structure of my WordPress site, because the default version of WordPress doesn't use the best version, I find. So I'm just going to go through settings. Come on. Just loading. Settings. All right, cool. Settings and then permalinks. And then change it from custom structure to post name and then save changes. And I like to, because I only have 30 minutes to build the entire website, I like to just bulk upload all my images that I'll be using and just let them start uploading while I go and do some other things. Okay. Florist images. Okay. So these will be start all uploading while I go and do some other things. So the first thing I go and do is I'm going to upload two plugins. So basic version of WordPress doesn't have a lot of functionality. So you have plugins that increase the features and the functionality of your WordPress website. So the first two I'm going to upload, first one is called Homepage Control. So Storefront itself is very restrictive when it comes to what you can and can't do on the homepage. So Homepage Control it's a free plugin. Just gives a little bit more say and a little bit more structure about how it looks. So we're going to upload that one. And then we're going to add WooCommerce. So WordPress itself doesn't actually allow you to sell stuff online in terms of products. It doesn't give you like a checkout page or anything like that. So we have to add another plugin called, add new, WooCommerce, which is going to give us e-commerce functionality to our online store, to our WordPress store. Oh, come on. WooCommerce. All right. Install now. And then activate. So then it's going to take us through a bit of a setup wizard. So we're just going to input information like this is basically going to run like 90% of what we need to start running our online store. So it just up, information about your business location, what payment processor you'll be using, what are you using to actually accept money online. So maybe like PayPal, setting up different shipping rules. I tend to turn the shipping rules off on the setup page because it is a little bit limited as what you can do, and then go to the back end of this the WooCommerce settings, so I can get a little bit more into the nitty gritty of the shipping rules that I want. So let's get started. Running setup wizard. All right, so this one we're going to be in Brisbane, and I know the last few ones have been in Brisbane, and I do want to change that. I just need to do a bit more research as to different shipping postcodes for different areas first. So physical products, selling them in person. So I'm going to have some local pickup as well. Let's go. Alrighty. So I want PayPal because it's the easiest. Just because it's the easiest doesn't necessarily mean it's the best for you. Just make sure that's your PayPal email that goes in there, and that's where that's where the money will be sent to, your PayPal email. Just make sure you have set up the PayPal account. All right, so I'm just going to turn off these. So these are some basic shipping rules that you can set, but I'm going to turn them off because I want to get more advanced. I want to do things like standard shipping, express shipping, local pickup. Alrighty. Turn off everything but storefront. So storefront is a theme that's built by WooCommerce specifically to integrate perfectly with WooCommerce. Yeah, it's probably the best theme that I recommend, and I don't recommend a lot of free themes, especially for WooCommerce, except that one. They do monetize it in that it does have some limited features. So you can go and pay for extra plugins to add extra functionality to storefront. I don't use Jetpack. I haven't found, every time I've used Jetpack, it slows down my website terribly. So I haven't used it, and I haven't. Oh, what is going on here? Yeah, every time I've used storefront, it's slowed down my website terribly. Let's have a look. Has my images uploaded? If not, that will be frustrating. Okay, I'm just going to go to WooCommerce settings. Just have 2 pages on the go. Oh, come on. Okay, looks like my images are there. That's the main thing. Something happened with the page then. And then I'm going to sell to specific countries. Australia. And you can put in like multiple countries if you sell to more than just Australia. It's just that will limit the countries available on the checkout page. Okay. And then shipping. Alrighty. We're getting there. Sorry. I don't want different shipping classes. So I normally would set up shipping classes if I have different weights of products, because WooCommerce itself doesn't include weight-based shipping. So let's go with Brisbane, Queensland. So my shipping is going to be largely the same. 4179. My shipping is largely going to be the same price between Brisbane and everywhere else, but I want to add local pickup. So what I'm going to do is going to add 2 flat rates, and I'm going to call one express shipping. So you can change the name and then local pickup. Okay. We're doing 23 minutes. Alrighty. Come on. All right, so I'm going to change one of the names of this as express shipping. And then the cost is going to be, let's say $10 plus $5 for each bouquet. $10 plus, no, 5 plus, 5 times, is that right? Yeah, that's right. square bracket, QTY, close square bracket, close bracket. So that's going to be express shipping. So $10 for each bouquet, $5 for each subsequent bouquet for express. And then let's go standard, which will be, let's just say $5 a bouquet, QTY, close square bracket. So it's 5 times. So it's just $5 a bouquet. So I just want to call it, I want to call it standard. Ooh, come on. Oh yeah, I did. And then local pickup, that's fine. Cool, save changes. And then shipping zone. So now we've got to recreate that for Australia, but we just take away the local pickup, because then we don't want to offer local pickup, because I don't want someone in Melbourne or Sydney to pick up to go, oh yeah, I'll do local pickup, not realizing it's in Brisbane and then getting very confused. Australia. So we're going to add 2 flat rates. Flat rate. Okay. So the first one was express shipping. And then that was 5 plus brackets 5 times square bracket QTY, close square bracket, close bracket. So 5 times the amount of bouquets in the shopping cart plus 5 is essentially how that works. And then 5 times, so it's just set standard $5 a bouquet. Oh, I didn't call it standard shipping. Standard shipping. Okay. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly upload my child theme, which is called Boutique. Alrighty. Manage themes. Come on. Upload. Come on. Where is it? Upload theme. I reckon, what I want to do as well is get rid of all the useless plugins that get automatically installed. Upload a theme. God, if I could just what is going wrong here? Upload a theme. There we go. Oh, wasting my time. Where is it? Child theme. Open. Install. All right, so we're installing the child theme now. So the way the child themes work is that we have to have the theme on the website in order for it to work. So it doesn't work without, the child theme won't work without the actual original theme. It's installing. And then activate. Plugins. I'm just getting rid of all the useless plugins. Delete. Perfect. Cool. All right. Update the theme. Okay, that's updating. Cool. Right. Getting back on track. So products, add new. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my filler text because I haven't created any sales copy for any of this. So the first one I'm going to create, so what I want to do is I'm going to create group products. So I basically need to create one of every type of product and then group them together. So I'm going to call it Champagne. I don't remember how you spell champagne. Champagne. Come on. Oh, this will load. Champagne. I'm going to charge, let's go $80 for the bottle. We need to have a nice healthy margin to it. stock management. Let's say I have 40 bottles. Notification at 2. The reason I like to do it like this as opposed to let's say like variable products is because I can control the quantity, because you don't want to oversell the amount of champagne that you have. In this way, we can actually control the amount of champagne because we've got one product that we're grouping it together with other bunches, other ones. Oh, so what I need to do is hide it. Oh, come on. Hidden. Okay. I also want to inventory. So I only want to be able to sell one at a time per order. So it just takes away, it just makes it a checkbox rather than a stock quantity thing. All right. Add new. So get rid of all this now. Chocolate box. Chocolate box. Cool. Let's charge $40 for this. Inventory. Sold individually. And then I have 40 of these hidden. Okay, so hidden means that you can't see it on the actual website. I have to be able to have it shown there on the actual website through a group product. Just means that people won't stumble and just buy champagne, which they probably won't anyway, but it just cleans up the website. Cool, add new. So now I can start creating the flowers. Okay, come on. All right, new product. I want to bulk upload a bunch of things. So basically I have to create everything twice. All right. I don't know if I'll have time to do all this, to be honest. Let's see how we go. Pink flowers. You just call them whatever you would like. This is the name of it. Pink flower. They charge $40 for these. Inventory. I have 40. Shipping. You don't need to sign because I don't have any different shipping classes. So now we can create the categories for each one. So this would be nice. Birthday one. Birthday. Come on. Say this is a nice Mother's Day one. Mother's Day. Perfect. Publish. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to refresh this. I call this the pink flowers. Actually, no, what I didn't do is hide this. Hidden. Okay. Update. Mother's birthday. Pink flowers. Sales copy. This is a grouped product. Linked product. Pink flowers, champagne, and chocolates. Chocolate box. Product image. Geez, I don't know if I have time to do all of these. Publish. 13 minutes. This is going to be cutting it fine. So if I go and look at the product now. Come on. I look at the product. I've got the sales copy. I've got no image. But as you can see, I can choose the flowers and then I can add champagne or chocolate box to the shopping cart. And so that gives me the ability to basically upsell different products that we can also add to the cart that they would also want. Oh, come on. A little worried for time. come on. There we go. Update. Okay. Product image. What's this one? Oh, that's my banner image. Let's say white and pink. Hidden. This would be nice for weddings and what else would be nice for, let's say, weddings and birthdays, Mother Days. That'll be good. 50. Doesn't need that. Inventory. 40. Publish. This is going to be really cutting it really fine. So what I might do, white and pink flowers, birthday, Mother's Day, wedding. All right, sales copy. All right, grouped products. So now we can group them together. So basically, you have to create one of everything, and then hide them and add them into a grouped product. White. Come on. Champagne. Come on. Load. And then chocolates. That one. Okay. I think these are the next ones with blue. Kind of purpley. That'll be fine. 50. Hidden. Inventory. $60. Okay. Just trying to smash some of these out. I know this might be a little bit dry, a little bit tough to follow. Red. Just need to get these done just because I am cutting it a little bit too close for comfort. 56. Cool. Hidden. Publish. Add new. Product image. Come on, product image. All right, I think this is the last one after this. Red and pink. Of course, you just name this, whatever you'd like. Hidden. $67 for some reason. I'm just going to publish it. Let's get these done. All right. Add new. So basically created one of every flower. I've hidden them and I've already created group one. So I'm just going to go back and recreate some of the flowers, some of the ones, birthdays, maybe nice for a wedding. Grouped, sales copy that convinces to purchase every time, sales copy. Okay. Blue, linked products, blue. Oh, come on, blue. Champagne and chocolates. Come on. Chocolate box. Okay, publish. Normally, I would like to be working on the actual customization of the store by now. red flowers, but this is taking a lot longer than I had hoped. $140. Oh wait, no, these are the flowers. These need to be grouped. They need a price. Red. Red, champagne, and chocolates. And you can create as many different like subgroup products as you want. Yeah, it's just that it can be a bit time consuming. Nice for wedding day, Mother's Day. Cool, publish. All right. Okay, I'm gonna just smash through this as quick as I can. Red and pink flowers. Grouped. Okay, linked products. Red and pink. Red and pink. Champagne. And chocolates. Okay. That one, perfect. Alrighty, I'm gonna do this one for. There can be all of those. Perfect. Cool. Publish. Right. Okay. Now I've got to create a home page. So I'm gonna go pages, add new. So I've created all the products. So I basically created one of everything we sell, hidden them, and then create a group product so I can put in products I would recommend having together in a group product. So that group product will be visible, and then they can go and add those. And when they add those products, when they click, if they want those products, click add to cart, then all those products will get added to the cart. It's just easier, I find, that way for on an inventory management level than creating variable products where you can have like a little drop down, because you can't really regulate how many of champagnes to have that you don't want to sell more than this on a variable product. Champagne flowers by Ryan. Check out our guide on the best flowers for your wedding. Add button. And then you just link this to your Clickfunnels sales funnel. okryan.blog/go. Wedding guide. Perfect. Publish. Cool. All right. Where's appearance? Customize. Right. We've got all the components. All the components are made. We just need to put them together within 4 minutes. All right. Okay. Come on. Probably would have had this done by now if my my internet speed was a little bit faster than it currently is. All right, so homepage settings. So now we need to tell WooCommerce or WordPress that the page we just created is the homepage. Otherwise, it won't be able to tell that that's the homepage. So I'm going to assign it the role of homepage. Alrighty. Okay, site identity, logo. So I've created a little bit of a logo for this one. So it's just a text with a transparent background. Perfect. Skip cropping. Header. All right, we're going to make this black is a little bit probably aggressive. So I'm going to make it like a nice purpley color. Maybe a bit deeper. Maybe a lot deeper. Oh, I know what I didn't do. I didn't assign that page the template. Okay. Background footer. Let's go. Nice dark one. Background. typography. I'm just going to publish this for now because what I didn't do is I got to assign that homepage the template of homepage as well, because there's a bunch of different templates within Storefront. So can I get this done in 2 minutes? Oh, what's going on? All right, so this is mainly how the website's looking so far, but I want to create my... So what am I going to do? I'm going to basically sort out the homepage widgets, sort out the sidebar widgets, and create 3 menus with internet that speed that is not phenomenal. Oh, no, not that one. Page attributes, homepage. All right, update. Okay. Customize. Come on. All right. Okay. We've got it there. Homepage control. Okay, I'm going to take away product categories. Recent, popular, on sale. I'm just going to keep it as best selling. So I like to kind of keep it nice and lean. Menus. All right. So I'm going to create 3 menus. Primary, where it's going to be home, shop, product categories, birthday, Mother's Day. That'll do. And then make these as drop down, so just take it to the side. Cool. 2. Sorry, I'm not talking a great deal right now. I'm just trying to get this done, and I'll go through it, I promise, afterwards. My account. Okay, handheld. 3. Add items. Home, my account. Shop. Cool. Widgets. 23 seconds. What else am I missing? The only thing you'd have to do as well, other than this, is just activate the payment processor. So if you just go to the back end, go WooCommerce settings, payments, and then you just need to activate the PayPal payment processor categories. Empties, publish. Okay, that one wasn't phenomenal. All right, well, let's take a look. Let's see how we go. We pretty much got it all done. I spent a little bit more time on the products than I really wanted to, but I'm pretty happy with that. Looks quite nice. I would probably have changed the colors of the buttons instead of being a gray, so that you can do in the customize tab as well. But we've got nice little products. We've got a little drop down, so we can go into, let's say we want birthday gift. You can click the birthday. Filter by price, got different categories again. Let's say we go, the image wasn't assigned there, but that's okay. Let's say we click on the image. We can go down, and then you've got the option for how many blue flowers would you like, and then you can also have the choice to add champagne to the bundle if you want to add also champagne, or you can add a box of chocolates. And then if I say, let's say I tick that and I want some of the flowers, I can go add to cart, and it's going to add everything to the shopping cart. And then we go view cart. Perfect, and it's brought the champagne over. Although I would probably add a champagne image just because otherwise to avoid that little imagery there. But otherwise it's looking pretty good. And then you can customize the cart. They can take it away. And then you've got the option as well for express shipping or standard shipping. And then if they want to go, if they live within, say, Queensland, 4,000, and go update. Update, come on, update. It also gives them the option for local pickup, so they can choose to come to the store, to the florist, and pick it up from you guys straight away instead of having to pay for shipping, and that's free to use. And then let's say we add another flower. It also increases the express shipping and the standard shipping relative to. So I think we said it was $5 for every flower for standard, and then for express it was $10 for your first one, and then $5 for each subsequent one. So we did it. We was really pushing it towards the end. I think I would have gotten there if I had better internet, but do the best with what you got. But I'm pretty happy with that. We built an online store in 30 minutes. From scratch. If you'd like me to do this for you, just go and head to okryan.blog/go. Set up your Clickfunnels account, and then and if you do it through my link, I'll set you up with free WordPress hosting for the exact store we just built, and then I'll come through and I'll help you build the entire store from scratch and help you get started. So for more information, just head to okryan.blog/go. If there's another product you'd like to see me build an entire online store around in 30 minutes, just make sure you comment it down below, and I look forward to seeing you next time.